Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 5 game-changing beauty products you all should have. These are super affordable and personally I use all of them. First up, I have the dry body brush. If you haven't added dry brushing to your body care routine yet, you are seriously missing out. This tool helps with gentle exfoliation, improves blood circulation, and can assist in lymphatic drainage. It gives your skin that polished, smooth look and help reduce the appearance of strawberry legs and ingrown hair. I like using this just before showering on dry skin in upward strokes. Not only does it exfoliate, but it also makes me feel super refreshed. Next is my current favorite moisturizer. This is Mama's Aloe Light Gel Moisturizer. It has 6 times more hydration than natural aloe vera gel and super lightweight and non-sticky, great for this summer season. It feels very soothing on the skin because it has the goodness of aloe vera powered with hyaluronic acid to hydrate and soothe the skin. The best part, it doesn't have any harmful chemical and it's suitable for all skin types. As you know, Mamaearth listened to customer suggestions. They have improved their onion shampoo based on your input and they will be continuing improving their product through research and innovation. Product is available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, Purple and nearby store. Plus you can use my coupon code Crystal2025 to get 20% discount on Mamaearth app and website. Next one is this manual scalp massager. Honestly, this tool has changed the way I oil and wash my hair. It's perfect for stimulating the scalp, boosting blood flow and helping with product absorption while applying serums or hair oils. I simply use it while oiling my hair as well as during shampooing to really emulsify and clean the scalp thoroughly. It also feels super relaxing after a long day, like a mini head spa, and it's especially helpful if you are dealing with hair fall or scalp buildup. Fourth one on the list is this electric oil heater. This is such a practical addition for anyone who oil their hair regularly. Heating your hair oil before application allows deeper penetration, improves circulation and makes the oil more effective. You can add any of your favorite oil in it and then massage. It makes the whole experience feel so luxurious. The best part, it's quick, safe and mess free, a total must have for hair care lovers. Lastly, this product I didn't know I needed until I tried this, the self-cleaning hair brush. It's such a time saver, keep your brush hygienic and the bristles are great for detangling without breakage. The quality is fantastic and it works for all hair types, especially if you have longer thick hair like mine. Once you finish combing your hair, simply push the loop to retract the hair and then you can lift the residual hair easily. Trust me, once you try it, you wouldn't go back to your regular hair brush. So that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.